In a massive twist to the 2020 Delhi riots case, Delhi police have not only strongly opposed the release of Umar, Khalid and Imam, who have been booked under UAPA, but have also thrown a very serious charge of regime change against them. The police have argued before the Supreme Court that these alleged offences involved a deliberate attempt to destabilize the state. 2 days ago, court had the enforcement agency reconsider whether these accused, several of whom have spent nearly 5 years in judicial custody, should be released on bail. Now, will this new counter by the Delhi police effectively put any of these hopes of bail for these accused on hold? Now, in this 177-page affidavit that CNN News 18 has accessed, which was filed today, Delhi police contended that the violence that unfolded in February 2020 was not a spontaneous escalation of protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act. The Delhi police claims that these riots were an organized regime change operation. It was a deep-rooted conspiracy that was engineered on communal lines. The affidavit states that the plan was designed to strike at the sovereignty and integrity of India by weaponizing public dissent against the Citizenship Amendment Act. It further states that a nationwide pattern of orchestrated violence was also underway. The same pattern was noted in multiple states, including Uttar Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Kerala and Karnataka. What really has raised eyebrows through this affidavit is the charge by the Delhi police, which claims that the riots were actually a regime change operation, not a spontaneous outpouring of anger, as the accused are claiming it to be. The affidavit claimed that these riots were timed to US President Donald Trump's visit to India in 2020. It claims that the recovery of incriminating material that was taken from these accused, including chats referencing Donald Trump, hints at that very motive. The affidavit says that this was an instant conspiracy pre-planned to be executed during Donald Trump's visit, and it was hatched to draw attention of the international media. The idea allegedly was to make the issue of the Citizenship Amendment Act a global one and to portray CAA as an act of pogrom. The affidavit further claims that CAA was chosen to serve as a radicalizing catalyst. It was camouflaged in the name of a peaceful protest, and that's something that needs to be investigated and need to be put on trial for, which is why the Delhi police is strongly opposing bail for Imam, Umar, Khalid and others in this particular case.